Finding the right portable washing machine isn't always easy with so many options available. Not every model offers the performance, compact design, durability, and features you need. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best portable washing machines selected for quality, performance, features, capacity, and value for money. Watch until the end to find out which portable washing machine is best for small spaces, apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, and everyday laundry. Let's get started. Number 5. COMFEE Portable Washing Machine. Here's a compact washer that packs impressive convenience into a small footprint. With a 0.9 cu.ft capacity, top-load design, and LED display, it makes everyday laundry simple and easy to control. It offers 5 wash programs: gentle, heavy-duty, normal, rapid, and soak, along with 3 water levels for flexible washing. The 840 RPM spin speed supports efficient performance, while built-in wheels and handles make it easy to move. A transparent lid and rust-resistant steel inner tub add practical touches. Overall, this is a smart choice for apartments, dorms, RVs, and small spaces. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER Portable Washer. You immediately notice how this washer combines compact convenience with practical features. With a 0.9 cu.ft capacity and room for up to 6.6 pounds, it's a great fit for everyday laundry in smaller spaces. The 5 wash cycles, heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak, give you flexible cleaning options, while 3 water levels match different load sizes. Its stainless steel tub, transparent lid, and LED display add everyday practicality. Plus, roller wheels and side handles make moving it around easy. Overall, it's a smart, convenient choice for compact home laundry. Number 3. 17.7 pounds. Full automatic portable washing machine. What makes this washer stand out is its impressive 17.7 pound capacity, packed into a compact design. With 10 wash programs and 4 water levels, you can easily choose the right setting for different types of laundry. The stainless steel inner tub delivers dependable cleaning, while the 2-in-1 wash and spin system adds everyday convenience. An LED display keeps the controls simple, and the automatic balance system supports smooth operation. Plus, the child lock adds extra peace of mind. Overall, this is a versatile choice for apartments, dorms, RVs, and small spaces. Number 2. Giantex Washing Machine. Here's where compact laundry meets impressive capacity. This 20-pound twin-tub washer features a 12-pound washing tub and an 8-pound spinner, giving you plenty of room for everyday clothes, sheets, and more. The 260 watts wash motor and 140 watts spin motor provide powerful performance, while the built-in filter helps keep the wash cycle clean. With simple push-button controls, adjustable wash and spin timers, and convenient inlet and drain hoses, laundry feels straightforward. Its carrying handles also make it easy to move around. Overall, it's a versatile choice for apartments, RVs, dorms, and compact spaces. Number 1. Giantex Full Automatic Washing Machine. One interesting thing here is the 2-in-1 washer and spinner design, bringing 2 laundry functions into one compact machine. With a 1.04 cu.ft capacity, it handles up to 8.8 pounds of laundry and offers 10 washing programs with 5 water levels for flexible cleaning. The built-in drain pump makes water removal convenient, while the stainless steel tub adds lasting durability. A transparent lid, LED display, child lock, and automatic balance detection make everyday operations simple and practical. For apartments and dorms, this compact, energy-saving washer is a smart all-in-one laundry solution. Which of these portable washing machine is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.